the doctor's evidence, Dr. Johnson's evidence. Remember, the doctor said in the voir dire that the injuries had occurred within 2 or 3 weeks. How it works is that the witnesses give evidence in the voir dire to the judge alone, but then these same witnesses are going to come back in the trial and give their evidence again before the jury. In the trial, testifying before the jury, at trial, the doctor said that the temporal injury had occurred in a week or 2 weeks prior to him seeing me. That contradicted what he had said in the voir dire. Remember, in the voir dire, he said that the injuries were weeks old. But now at trial, he's saying that it occurred in a week or 2 weeks prior to him seeing me. This contradicted what he said at the voir dire. It meant that the appellant's evidence that he received the facial injury at the hands of the police was consistent with the doctor's evidence. So it now lined up the doctor's evidence and Vinson's evidence at the trial itself matched. They were consistent. Privy Counsel said that it is arguable that given the importance of the timing aspect of the doctor's evidence and the voir dire, the judge should have discharged the jury. So much about the voluntariness of the confession turned on the timing of when the injuries happened, right? And if the doctor's evidence is not consistent about the timing, then how can you rely on it only where it is negative and not, at the very least, say that it's unreliable altogether?